Hey, welcome back to the plant-based vegan channel. This is another installment, a little side installment actually. I really didn't intend on even record a video for, but as I was doing it, I realized, oh, this is exactly what I'm trying to promote. So this is a very quick, very easy recipe that I kind of whipped together, or meal, let's put it that way, that I whipped together. I wanted to share with you. I guess one of the things I'm trying to promote here is helping you by exploring how I have adopted and maintain a plant-based / vegan lifestyle into being a rather busy single parent professional. I work a lot. I'm just constantly busy. It's go, go, go all the time. I need simple. I need quick. I need easy. So think of your favorite spaghetti and meatballs, essentially made with Gardein meatless meatballs. I use a plant-based option for the pasta sauce. You can use any pasta sauce that you like. I quickly looked to see what was in the fridge or what I had in the freezer in terms of vegetables. So for me, I added some fresh broccoli that I had in the fridge. I got some fresh cauliflower. Then I used the Green Giant zucchini spirals. I frequently use these vegetable spirals. They have butternut squash. I've seen carrots. I mean, I think you can get virtually anything. Zucchini is what I happen to have in the freezer. That is a very quick and simple, and those things are delicious all by themselves. You can use it in replacement for regular pasta, which is what I did here. So you want something quick and easy, this is it. Was able to have a very filling, satiating dish. And let me just tell you, these Gardein meatless meatballs, the Gardein fish fillets, everything I've had from Gardein is just unflippin' believable. And I will just also tell you, if you have kids out there, this is one way to get them to enter into eating less meat, essentially. But hopefully you enjoy it. Hopefully you get something out of it. Okay, so I had to share this. I just came home from being at the movies. My daughter and I went to see Spies in Disguise, and I am really tired. It's been a long day. It's 7:05 p.m. Needed to make a quick dinner. I didn't have anything ready that I was interested in eating, so I just went into the freezer and quickly grabbed a few things that have, I think, turned into what looks like a very magical dish, a very filling dish. And so I had to share a little bit with you, and I'll put together some of this a little bit later. But just to give you a little teaser, it involves this, which is 100% just straight zucchini. You look here, boom. Okay, no sodium, boom. Okay, so I let that serve as my noodles. It also involves some nutritional yeast. It also involves some tomato basil pesto sauce, baby, pasta sauce, whatever. It also involves some broccoli and some cauliflower, raw, as you can see in there. And I put a little bit of oregano. The main piece that I am most excited about is these Gardein meatless meatballs. I've had them before, but I always find something new to make them in, or a new way to make them. This is a Howard Stern inspired dish. He's the one who got me to try. He talks so much about these meatless meatballs that I figured I've seen them a million times. I've tried some of their other stuff, and I needed to get myself into this. So anyway, I'm gonna taste it and see what happens. Delicioso. Oh yeah, baby. You don't even know what to do with all this deliciousness. I don't even know what to do with all of this deliciousness. Oh man. man, that's hot. I think it's too much, but it's okay. So delicious. So delicious. I just want to tell you, this was so delicious, so filling, and it was just something quick. I wanted to bring to you that in 10 minutes, I put all this whole thing together. Essentially, I want to bring quick stuff. I want to show you guys how me as a busy single parent professional, how I've been able to incorporate this plant-based / vegan lifestyle. It's just another example of how I am trying to make this simple and tasty, and I wanted to share it with you. So enjoy. The part that took the longest was really just cooking the meatballs. There are multiple options. You can read the bag for various ways to cook or bake. I'm sure if you've got a air fryer or any of that other stuff, you could utilize to make these. And regardless, they're delicious. I've made them a few different ways or cooked them a few different ways. They've never let me down. If you haven't tried Gardein's frozen meatless options, all of them are absolutely fantastic. Definitely get yourself out and try. I am not paid by them by any means. It's just something I have fallen in love with.